Nehemiah chapter 4. The task before the people of Jerusalem was daunting. The walls of the city lay to ruin, and the dreams of restoration felt fragile. Like the scattered stones they had to build. But God had called Nehemiah to the task, and through work was hard, people had rallied together, determined to restore the city's glory. But as the work progressed, so did opposition. Those didn't want to see Jerusalem rise again, led by Sanballat and Tobiah, and the others began to mock them. What are you doing? Would they rebuild the city in a day? Will they offer sacrifice to it finish? They're sneered, just upset. Their voices of ridicule were meant to discourage the workers and shake their confidence. But Nehemiah, with wisdom of God, didn't let the mockery stop him. He didn't turn to anger or retaliation. He turned to God in prayer. Nehemiah's prayer was simple but powerful. Hear us, O Lord, for we are despised. They turn insults back to our own heads. He didn't just pray for protection. He asked for God to act. Nehemiah understood that this work was bigger than just physical building. It was a spiritual warfare. Nehemiah didn't just stop praying, he took action. He posted the guards up to make sure that the workers were ready to defend themselves if needed. He stood up while they were building with their hands. The battle was also fought in their hearts. If you hear the trumpets, come to us, he told them, and God will fight for us. Despite the threats, the people continued to build, and they had been mocked, they had been ridiculed, and they have not backed down. With determination, they pressed on, trusting that the God was with them. They worked not only with faith, but unity, each person playing their part in restoration of Jerusalem. In the end, the walls were completed. Not yet because the work was easy, but because the people stayed committed. They didn't let the mockery, the threats, the challenges stop them. They kept their eyes on the task before them, knowing that God had called them to do this work. So today in Nehemiah 4 shows us the important lessons. When God calls us to do something, there will be opposition. There will be voices of doubt, fear, and mockery. But like Nehemiah, we were called to respond with faith, prayer, and perseverance. We must not be shaken by the voice of discouragement, but keep building brick by brick for the glory of God. What work has God called you to do? Maybe it's a project, a relationship, personal calling to filling difficulty. Don't stop building, even when opposition comes. Take prayer into God and trust, and He'll give you strength to finish what He has started. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement. Let us stay connected, trusting God will help us complete His work He called us to do. You have a blessed, wonderful day. Comment this so it can grow, and share this word so other people can get closer to the word. You have a blessed day.